In this video, we are going to learn how to create sales representatives and assign permissions to them within the Sales Representative Commission Manager extension for Magento 2. The first thing we are going to need to do is to create a sales representative. Go to System, All Users. Here you will find the list of created users. To create a user, click the button Add New User. Let's enter user information in the Account Information tab. Enter a username, first and last names, and email. Add user's password. Select the interface locale and set the active status. Then enter your password of the Magento backend. In the User Role tab, select Sales Representative. In the Commission tab, specify the commission rate the user should earn on orders for which they are the sales representatives. If you don't enter a value, the default rate will be applied. Or specify the commission rate that this user should earn on orders submitted by any sales representatives they manage. If this user does not manage any other users, values will be ignored. Then you can add a manager who should be credited for this user's orders, or set No Manager if the user doesn't have a manager. Now let's set permissions. Click on System, User Roles, and choose Sales Representative. In the role info, you can add a role name and enter your current password. In Role Resources, you can set permissions. To see what users are assigned as sales representatives, open the tab Role Users. Here you can find the list of all the sales representatives. This is how customers can select a sales representative during checkout. This was a tutorial on how to create sales representatives and assign permissions to them within the Sales Representative Commission Manager extension for Magento 2.